Are you also feeling lazy when it comes to work on your digital coaching business? Maybe you want to record some videos. Maybe you have written down 5 priority tasks which you have to complete in a day. And even you are excited to start your day. Maybe you did workout as well in the morning. You had amazing fresh bath, shower, but still when you sit for the work, you feel that laziness
yawning in between.
So what to do now? What to do where you will not feel that laziness, but you will be fresh. The way I'm fresh right now, I was just acting being lazy just to connect with you, because it happened with me a lot unless I change 3 things. So now I'm going to talk about those 3 things, even more than that. Basically, I will tell you my routine based on how I reduce this laziness and I increase the productivity. Hi, my name is Purushottam Hamberde and I have been helping thousands of people to master video making skill and also become a digital coach. If you are that person who wants to make videos and also become digital coach, make sure you consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. So let's dive into this content where I'm going to share with you what are those things I do to increase the productivity and decrease the laziness. Number one thing, it's my opinion, it's what I do. I'm not a doctor or a health specialist. This is just my opinion and experience which is working for me. So what I do, once I open my eyes, first thing I do is I drink warm water immediately. And I start feeling fresh from within because of drinking warm water, and then I get fresh. And then I have to have that dry fruits. That is my pre-workout. I have some dry fruits. I will not go into the nutrition part, but what I'm doing is having enough water. Start your day with the warm water, and throughout the day drink as much as water as you can. Around, let's say in my case, I drink more than 4 liters, around 5 liters even sometimes. Okay, so this is the first habit I want you to start having. The reason is, as a digital coach, you have to speak as well in front of camera, in front of live sessions, Zoom or Google Meet. If you are a teacher, whatever you are doing, if you want to speak, you need to drink warm water. I highly recommend you to buy this kind of Milton water bottles, or which keeps water warm or cold 24 hours. As a digital coach, I recommend you to keep drinking warm water. Right now, I still have that warm water with me. I keep drinking that. Let me drink one more time right now so that you can also get this habit. Wow, it feels refreshing. So you have to keep drinking this multiple times, so you will not get that yawning and that kind of thing. Number 1. Then second thing, what I will recommend you, which I do, is I started having light food, healthy and also light food. Before, I used to eat like a crazy. Let's say 3 chapatis or 2 bhakris or and a lot of sabjis and the rice. This kind of heavy food I used to have, and that's how I used to be lazy. Once I changed my food lighter, and also I breaked my meals. So pre-workout, after workout, I have breakfast, then I have a lunch where I eat only 1 multigrain bhakri. That's it. Okay. Before that, I eat fruits. So in my breakfast, I have fruits. So which makes me more lighter, and I never feel that yawning and that kind of stuff. So what you can do is break down that lunch and also start having lighter food. That will definitely help you to improve your energy and productivity. And if you have healthy lighter food, then definitely your health will also improve. If you are, let's say you have a lot of weight, maybe you'll start managing that weight loss as well. If you are skinny, maybe you'll start getting some healthy fat as well. Okay, if you take healthy food. So third thing, as a habit I want you to add to increase the productivity and decrease the laziness, is completing task habit. Because how you do anything, you do everything. So if you're starting your day without completing some task, you will keep delaying, procrastinating, and getting lazy. But what if you start your day with completing one task? Maybe it is very easy, doesn't matter. But how you do anything, you do everything. So why don't you make your bed once you wake up? Drink warm water, feel fresh, make your bed, then go and get fresh. This will add you one satisfaction of that completing one task, and then keep adding new activities in your life. Activities can be anything. Even if you want play for 30 minutes or an hour, but add new activities in daily routine. If you want to do any household work, do that. Help your mom, do something like that. It will definitely increase your productivity and lower the laziness if you add new activities in your life. And next thing what I can recommend you is, let's say you want to make videos and you're feeling like so much lazy, just go and take a cold shower. That will definitely make your body very calm, and your breathing will get proper, and you will start feeling fresh and relaxed. That's my recommendation. So I hope this video is valuable for you to decrease the laziness and increase the productivity. By the way, there are a lot of tips, strategies, and a lot of things to improve on this part. Let me give you one more bonus tip. Bonus tip is have a productive at least 7-hour sleep, which will improve your active time throughout the day. Otherwise, I will keep getting that yawning. So I hope this video was valuable for you, my friend. Please give that like button. And if you want to become digital coach, only by not being lazy will not help you to become a successful digital coach. You have to learn a lot. You have to implement strategies. You have to learn about how to create effective, natural videos, to teach and share your knowledge, how to create a strategy of creating your courses, how to sell through webinars, how to sell and how to get more and more students. So I teach all those things in my Coach Easily workshop. This is not a promotion, just thought to share with you this if you are interested to learn more of that. So make sure you like this video if you enjoyed this 3, 4, 5 tips which I shared with you. And also subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you will keep getting this kind of new, different kind of content to help you become productive and become digital coach, making amazing videos. A lot of content is on the way, my friend. So also I have some other videos here and there after this video you can watch and keep learning. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.